At the heart of today's program is the recognition of students who have shown exceptional skills in the different competitions, talents, sports, and service awards.
International Student Science Project Competition ISSPC 2026 Gold Award Renz Lawrence M. Paz, Victor Miguel E. Rodriguez, Lix Lynn C. Pereda. Gold Award, Crisaline Eliza P. Kendosa, Venice Angela R. Grimaldo, Nina Richie Zainaya, Gold Award, Angeline R. Cerribo, Audrey Angeli R. Villaruel, Matrix Wenz and Reynoso. Silver Award, Kyle Gabriel P. Regino, Dave Mar O. Riveros, Jachel Jairi R. Vasco. Silver Award, Niño Angelo R. Peñaflor, Ruth Ann E. Valdivieso, Simon Gabriel P. Cos. Silver Award, Ariana J. Regio, Rachel Lee Madronio, Bettina Jones A. Rolioque. Silver Award, Jaisel N. R. Paez, Eunice R. Almonte, Cristel Syra M. Regalado.
Virtual DJ.
Silver Award, Shane Cyril Noriego, Ricey Nicole R. Piramo, Lois Gian Ju Gonzaga. Silver Award, John Harvey P. Vargas, Briggs Q. Evangelista, Char Lowell B. Laureles. Bronze Award, Lance Hill P. Constantino, Paulo Yashim P. Renes, Justin C. Ritardo. Bronze Award, Ervin P. Regio, Leanne D. Robles, Diana R. Riveros. Bronze Award, Shadid Paul Arellano, Alrich Jan Ordiliano, Gian Andre Molina. Coaches, Mr. Ruel S. Laririt, Mr. Perry Angelo C. Manlapas, Mrs. Maylene M. Go, and Miss Leia Agnes P. Ritardo.
Special recognitions, Qualifier Regional Festival of Talents, Angeline R. Ceribo, Audrey Angeli R. Villaruel, Coach, Mr. Perry Angelo C. Manlapas. Second place, Voices of Values, a jingle making division level, Anatea Daniel R. Permejo and Ashley R. Permejo. Coach, Mr. Aljan Mansalapos. Second place, Infomercial with a Heart, a values-driven division level, Andre Nino Arelin, Audrey Angeli Villaruel, Aima Eliza B. Kabatbat, and Lance Hill Constantino. Coach, Mrs. Jennifer M. Rogelio. '24th Regional Chemistry Olympiad. First place, Chem and U, on the spot poster making, Justin Dave P. Ricapranca. Coaches, Miss Leia L. Malapad, Miss Leia Agnes P. Ritardo, and Mr. Perry Angelo C. Manlapas. Third place, Kemin Yu. On the spot poster making, Princess Jasmine M. Pedilino. Coaches, Miss Leia L. Malapad, Miss Leia Agnes P. Ritardo, and Mr. Perry Angelo C. Manlapas. Second place, extemporaneous speech, Angeline R. Ceribo. Coaches, Miss Leia L. Malapad, Miss Leia Agnes P. Ritardo, and Mr. Perry Angelo C. Manlapas. John Jeric R. Lugdat, Editor-in-Chief, The Northern Avenues.
May we call on Mr. Jomar Linga for the Ezra.
Landi National High School Active Organization, Environmental Science and Research Association, Georgia Lay R. Patalinhog, President, Ezra. Kyle Gabriel P. Regenio, Vice President. Bettina Jones A. Rolyoque, Secretary. Nino Angelo R. Piñaplor, Auditor. Leanne P. Robles, Project Manager. Christian P. Regenio, Grade 12 Representative. Emmanuel P. Espinosa, Grade 10 Representative. And Maria Margaret P. Red, Grade 10 Representative.
Special Recognitions 2025 Provincial Meet. Second place, Track and Field Long Jump, Steven Armamento. Coach, Mrs. Noemi R. Rehencia. Also, second place, Track and Field Triple Jump, Steven Armamento. Coach, Mrs. Noemi R. Rehencia. Third place, Track and field javelin throw, John Kenneth Del Rosario. Coach, Mrs. Noemi R. Rehencia. Third place, track and field, 5,000 meter run. Second place, track and field, 3,000 meter run. Second place, track and field, 1,500 meter run. Alwin James P. Robles. Coach, Mr. Jonathan Macatong. Third place, long tennis singles B, Jessie Aldrin Ronario. Coach, Miss Leia L. Malapad. Third place, long tennis singles B, Angel K. Palatino. Coach, Miss Leia L. Malapad. Third place, swimming 4x4 freestyle 100 meter, Links C. Pereda. Coach, Mr. John Paul R. Jimenez. Second place, swimming 4x4 mixed category, Renz Lawrence M. Paz. Coach, Mr. John Paul R. Jimenez. Third place, Latin American category, John Harvey P. Vargas. Best in Cha-Cha, Amari Lira R. Relien. Also, best in Pasadoble, and the coach, Miss Noelyn L. Pernia. Second place, Latin American category, Emil Lloyd C. Marilla, Amari Lira R. Relien. Best in Rumba, coach, Miss Noelyn L. Pernia. Modern Standard category, third place, grade C, Jared Vince Mendoza. Second place, Foxtrot, Samantha Luis De Luna. Coach, Miss Noelyn L. Pernia. First place, Aghamazing 2025 National Festival of Talents, Venice Angela R. Grimaldo. Coach, Mr. Perry Angelo C. Manlapas. Second place, Kevin Craft, Division Festival of Talents, Iris Angel M. Valencia. Coach, Mr. Eric A. Esplana. Second place, Advocacy Pitch, Angeline R. Ceribo, Linya Richie C. Zainaya, Coach Mr. Jomar L. Linga. Second place, Bay Cares, Joanna May Princess Pastoral, Teresa Marie Villaruel, Yuri Milicia, coaches, Mrs. Imelda M. Magkamit and Mrs. Marivic M. Evangelista. Third place, Tokyo Cuento, Gabriel Yuan A. Mabansak, Rian Joy Q. Regalado, Jania Chelsea P. Pineda, Coach Eric J. Maningas. First place is amazing. Crisaline Eliza P. Kendosa, Audrey Angeli R. Villaruel, Coach Mr. Perry Angelo C. Manlapas.
Special recognitions 2025 Provincial Meet. First place, Taekwondo Kyoryugi Category 4, John David Perilia. Coach, Mr. Lee Anthony J. Escueta. First place, Taekwondo Category 1, Micaela Permejo. Coach, Miss Ginalyn Malapad. Third place, Taekwondo Category 4, Joyce C. Ritardo. Coach, Miss Ginalyn Malapad. First place, Taekwondo Category 7, Claire Elaine Fernandez. Coach, Miss Ginalyn Malapad. Second place, Taekwondo Pomsei Mix, Individual Category, Matea Luis R. Oliva. Coach, Miss Ginalyn Malapad. First place, Taekwondo Pomsei, Team Category, Aima Eliza B. Kabatbat, Alexa Beniz Q. Pajardo, Jessica P. Rihano. Coach, Miss Ginalyn Malapad. First place, Taekwondo Category 1, Rowan Ernst Ertel. Second place, Taekwondo Category 3, Kimshan Rico Hermoso. Third place, Taekwondo Category 4, Travis Christ G. Antolin. First place, Taekwondo Category 5, John David E. Perilia. First place, Taekwondo Category 6, Prince Ibo Zulueta. First place, Taekwondo Category 7, Ian J. Residu. Coach, Mr. Lee Anthony J. Escueta. First place, Taekwondo Pomse Mix Team Category, Alexa Biniz Q. Pajardo, Angelo John A. Romasanta. Second place, Taekwondo Pomse Mix Team Category, Aima Eliza B. Kabatbat, Dwayne Anthony G. Antolin. First place, Taekwondo Pomse Mix Individual Category, Angelo John A. Romasanta, Dwayne Tony G. Antolin, Aima Eliza B. Kabatbat, Alexa Biniz Q. Pajardo, and Jessica P. Rihano. Coaches, Mr. Lee Anthony J. Escueta and Miss Ginaline Malapad. First place, Chess Rapid Category, Hart Denzel Q. Riego. Coach, Mrs. Maribic M. Evangelista. First place, Claire Fernandez. First place, Chess Rapid Team Category, Hart Denzel O. Riego and Bettina Jones A. Rolyoke. Coach, Mrs. Maribic L. Evangelista. Third place, Chess Blitz Team Category, Hart Denzel O. Riego and Bettina Jones A. Rolyoke. Coach, Mrs. Maribic M. Evangelista. Third place, Chess Standard Team Category, Hart Denzel O. Riego and Bettina Jones A. Rolyoke. Coach, Mrs. Maribic M. Evangelista.
Special recognition, 6th International Multidisciplinary Research Conference. Best Oral Presentation, Angeline R. Ceribo. Research title, Take the Risk or Lose Chance, The Impact of Scientific Competition Participation on the Academic Performance of STEM Students in Landi National High School. Coach, Mr. Jomar L. Linga. Best Oral Presentation, Char Lowell V. Laureles, Shadid Paul J. Arellano. Research title, Facing English Anxiety in STEM, Cognitive and Linguistic Challenges for Students with Limited English Proficiency. Coach, Mr. Jomar L. Linga. Best Oral Presentation, John Harvey P. Vargas, Briggs Q. Evangelista. Research title, Clear Multiphase ZNO Nanocarrier Engineering with Molecular Docking Analysis of CNO Interactions with Chlorophyll 2 and Algae Cell Phosphatidylclidine for Sunlight-Triggered Algae Glycolysis in Eutrophic Waters. Coach, Mr. Perry Angelo C. Manlapas. 2026 Emra Amit. Second place, badminton doubles, Rain Joshua Q. Regalado. Coach, Father Martin Pertoliano. Fourth place, Taekwondo Pomse Freestyle, Dwayne Tony Antolin. Third place, Taekwondo Pomse Mix, Angelo Jan Romasanta, Alexa Venice Q. Pajardo. Emraa Qualifier Taekwondo, John David E. Perilla, Emma Eliza Vicabatbat, Micaela Permejo, Coach Mr. Lee Anthony J. Escueta. Emraa Qualifier Sepak Takraw, Jaden Bryant R. Real, Coach Mr. Eric J. Maningas. Provincial Meet 2025. Second place, Sepak Takraw, John Lester F. Ribado, Jacob Bral R. Real, Shandel Ricahuerta, Coach Mr. Eric J. Maningas. Second place, Boxing, Secondary Boys, John Ray Permejo, Coach Mr. Joseph M. Luna. Third place, Boxing, Secondary Boys, Justin L. Propogo, Coach Mr. Joseph M. Luna. First place, Badminton Singles A, Rain Joshua Q. Regalado, Coach Miss Ginaline M. Lupi. First place, table tennis team event, Erica R. Angeles, Coach Mr. Enrico A. Esplana. Also, the third place table tennis doubles, Erica R. Angeles, Coach Mr. Enrico A. Esplana. First place, Taekwondo Pomse Freestyle, Dwayne Tony Antolin, Coach Mr. Lee Anthony J. Escueta. Third place, Taekwondo Pomse Freestyle, Jessica Rihano, Coach Miss Ginaline Malapad. First place, Taekwondo Kirogi category, Micaela Permejo. Coach, Miss Ginalyn Malapad. First place, Taekwondo Kirogi category, John David Pirilla. Coach, Mr. Lee Anthony G. Escueta.
Special recognitions. Regional Science Technology Pair. Third place, Robotics and Intelligent Machine Individual category, Angeline R. Ceribo. Best Presenter, Coach, Mr. Perry Angelo C. Manlapas. Division Science Technology Pair. First place, Robotics and Intelligent Machine Individual category, Angeline R. Ceribo. Best Presenter, Coach, Mr. Perry Angelo C. Manlapas. Third place, Robotics and Intelligent Machine Individual category, Cassie Gabriel Piñaflor. Coaches, Mr. Roel M. Ray and Mr. Paulo M. Pantoja. First place, Robotics and Intelligent Machine Team category, Ariana J. Regio. Rachel Lay A. Madrona. Bettina Jones A. Rolyoke. Best Presenter, Coaches, Mr. Perry Angelo C. Manlapas and Mr. Jomar L. Linga. Third place, Robotics and Intelligent Machine Team category, Dale Alfred P. Gonzalez, Jetro L. Rico Hermoso, Renzo P. Perpignan. Coaches, Mr. Perry Angelo C. Manlapas and Mr. Jomar L. Linga. Division Science Technology Pair. Third place, Physical Science Individual category, Nino Angelo R. Piñaflor. Coach, Mr. Perry Angelo C. Manlapas. First place, Physical Science Team category, Georgia Lay P. Patalinhug, Andre Gabriel Liam P. Rebeliosa, and Bon Clyde B. Cabrera. Coaches, Mr. Perry Angelo C. Manlapas and Mrs. Mylene M. Go. Second place, Innovation Expo, Individual category, Irvin James P. Regio. Third place, Innovation Expo, Individual category, Jaisal Ann R. Paez. Coach, Mr. Perry Angelo C. Manlapas. Life Science category, Best Presenter, Diana R. Riveros, Leon D. Robles, and Shadid Paul J. Arellano. Coaches, Miss Leia Al Malapad and Miss Leia Agnes P. Ritardo.
Second place, feature writing, 2025 National School Press Conference, Secondary English, Mariel Shanaya R. Orjuela. 2026 RSPC Qualifier, Coach Ms. Sherlyn R. Moldon. First place, feature writing, Division Schools Press Conference, Secondary English, Mariel Shanaya R. Orjuela. Coach Ms. Sherlyn R. Moldon. First place, Editorial Writing, Division Schools Press Conference, Secondary English, Janu Obria Faith Mendoza. 2026 RSPC Qualifier, Coach Mrs. Eunice P. Regino. Division Schools Press Conference, Outstanding Campus Journalist, Angeline R. Ceribo. Coach, Mrs. Mary Ann M. Rivadinera. Regional School Press Conference Finalist, Outstanding Campus Journalist, Angeline R. Ceribo. Coach, Mrs. Mary Ann M. Rivadinera. Layout Artist of the Year, Filipino, John Harvey P. Vargas. Layout Artist of the Year, English, Wilbur Jewelson R. Imperio. Landi National High School Active Journalist, Mariel Shanaya R. Orjuela. Krista Janine C. Pilar. Ariana J. Regio. Crisaline Eliza P. Kendosa. Jano Obria Faith R. Mendoza. Nino Angelo R. Peñaflor. Janelle P. Peñarroyo. Wilbur Jewelson R. Imperio. Lara Eliza R. Ampelocchio. Venice Angela R. Grimaldo. Renz Aldred F. Rodelas. Janice R. Codillo. Angeline R. Ceribo. John Harvey P. Vargas. Ruth Ann E. Valdivieso.
Virtual DJ.
Ira Jane Q. Ray. Mary Beatriz P. Santos. Isabela P. Macapia. Irvin James P. Regio. Diana R. Riveros. Elijah Jilia M. Manuba. Dale Alfred P. Gonzalez. Kyle Gabriel P. Regino. Dustin Rivadinera. Don Risnel P. Ordeliano. Justin Dave Ricapranca. Marianel Palma. Jana Jean Rocha.
Special recognitions. Second place, TV Broadcasting and Script Writing. Secondary English, Aima Eliza B. Kabatbat. Rapa B. Dapula. John William Galvez. Maria Cristiana E. Arabit. Gabriel Yuan A. Mabansag. Ande Gabriel Lim P. Rebeliosa. And Audrey Angeli R. Villarroel. Coach, Mr. Roel M. Ray. First place, Online Desktop Publishing, Secondary, Filipino, Irvin James P. Regio, Diana R. Rioberos, Elijah Jilia M. Manuba, Dale Alfred P. Gonzalez, and Kyle Gabriel P. Regino. 2026 RSPC Qualifier, Coach Mrs. Mary Ann M. Ribadeniera. Second place, Collaborative Desktop Publishing Secondary Filipino, John Harvey P. Vargas. Ruth Ann E. Valdivieso, Mary Beatriz P. Santos, Ira Jane Q. Ray, Renz Lawrence Paz, Arabella P. Macapia, and Jade Altea P. Recamara. Coach, Mrs. Mary Ann M. Ribadeniera. First place, Online Desktop Publishing, Secondary English, Altea Janelle D. Ney, Iristes Marie R. Valdivieso, Fatima Pearl P. Rosero, Zarina Pauline P. Rebilla, and Noreen Benice L. Regio. Coach, Mrs. Marnelli T. Rayo Florido. Fourth place, Online Desktop Publishing, Regional Schools Press Conference Secondary English, Altea Janelle D. Ney, Iristes Marie E. Valdivieso, Fatima Pearl P. Rosero, Zarina Pauline P. Rebilla, and Noreen Benice L. Regio. Coach, Mrs. Marnelli T. Rio Florido. Second place, Collaborative and Desktop Publishing, Secondary English, Matrix Wentz and Reynoso, Wilbur Jewelson R. Imperio, Mary Christine R. Abeliana, Alexa Benice Q. Pajardo, Yuri E. Milicia, John Abdon R. Escasa, and Yuri P. Secretario. Coach, Mrs. Marnelli T. Rio Florido.
Division Schools Press Conference, Best Infomercial, TV Broadcasting and Script Writing, Secondary English, Emma Eliza V. Kabatbat, Rafa B. Dapula, John William Galvez, Maria Cristiana E. Arabit, Gabriel Yuan A. Mabansag, Andre Gabriel Limpi Rebeliosa, and Audrey Angeli R. Villarreal. Coach, Mr. Ruel M. Ray. Director, TV Broadcasting and Script Writing, Audrey Angie R. Villarreal. Coach, Mr. Ruel M. Ray. Best Technical Application, TV Broadcasting and Script Writing, Audrey Gabriel Lim P. Rebeliosa. Coach, Mr. Ruel M. Ray. First place, Script Writing and Radio Broadcasting, Secondary English, Victor Miguel D. Rodriguez, Renz Adri F. Patok, Janelle P. Peñaroyo, Lara Eliza R. Ampelocchio, James Andre G. Salamat, Venice Angela R. Grimaldo, Sid Corbin L. Quisana, Coach, Mr. John Russell T. Baronia.
Best Anchor, Script Writing and Radio Broadcasting, Lara Eliza R. Ampilocchio. Coach, Mr. John Russell P. Baronia. Best News Presenter, Script Writing and Radio Broadcasting, James Andre G. Salamat. Coach, Mr. John Russell P. Baronia. Best in Infomercial Script Writing and Radio Broadcasting, Venice Angela R. Grimaldo. Coach, Mr. John Russell P. Baronia. Best Technical Script Writing and Radio Broadcasting, Sid Corbin L. Quizana. Coach, Mr. John Russell P. Baronia. Fifth place, Script Writing and Radio Broadcasting, Regional Schools Press Conference, Secondary English, Victor Miguel D. Rodriguez, Lara Eliza R. Ampilocchio, James Andre G. Salamat, Janelle R. Piñaroyo, Renz Andre F. Patok, Sid Corbin L. Quizana, and Venice Angela R. Grimaldo. Coach, Mr. John Russell P. Baronia. Best in Infomercial, Venice Angela R. Grimaldo. Coach, Mr. John Russell P. Baronia.
Active Girl Scouts, Biel Angel R. Diaz, Lexi Kailin P. Rio Florido, Josa R. May R. Recto, Mariel E. Pirilla, Eric C. Martija, Joy C. Ritardo, Maria Juliana R. Frias, Athena R. Constantino, Chelsea Rose R. Sapinit, Rafa B. Dapula, Maria Desiree P. Kendosa, Milka Wayne Rocha, Jane Rain Romasanta, Cyrene May Arubio, Meryl Ebrio, Rian Joy Q. Regalado, Janea Chelsea P. Pineda, Rihanna Joy P. Minorca, Ayesha Pareño, Krishna Janine C. Pilar, Ingrid Aguida Viernes, Girl Scout of the Year, Janina Marie R. Marquez. Girl Scout of the Philippines Service Award, Angeline R. Ceribo.
Active Boy Scouts. Eagle Scout Awardee, Gabriel Yuan A. Mabansag. Clint R. Capranca. Adriel R. Rebleza. Don Richnel P. Ordaliano. Roy Benson R. Pineda. Charles Ivan D. Imperio. Brian Jules B. Rebleza. Marwin P. Bea. Berhel Miguel B. Rapuzon. Scout Justin C. Ritardo. Scout Justin Dave P. Ricapranca. And Scout James E. Villalon.
Service Awardees, Active Drum and Lyre Corps member, Robin May M. Ricormoso, Prince Kyle E. Ritardo, Andre Lawrence C. Rogelio, Kimberly C. Monterrey, Althea Kimberly R. Regalia, Ayexa Jane S. Palivino, Princess Juliet P. Revilla, ICR de Guzman, Rochelle R. Peregrin, Kian Charles Z. Roldan, Ira R. Baldoza, Rona Jane R. Morales, Jed Marco R. Basig, Aliyah P. Ribadinera, Milchi Grace D. Delis, Carla Z. Ray, John Russell B. Ray, Paula R. Pineda, and Jaisal Ann Y. De Luna.
Active CAT officers. Roy Benson R. Pineda, Cadet Captain Color Officer. Resume Garpesa, Cadet Captain Alpha Company Commander. Goldimer Pirilia, Cadet First Lieutenant Executive Officer Alpha Company. James Villalon, Cadet First Lieutenant Alpha Company 1st Platoon Commander. Sarah Monterrey, Cadet First Lieutenant Alpha Company 2nd Platoon Commander. John Brent Macunat, Cadet First Lieutenant Bravo Company 1st Platoon Commander. Jericho Palmero, Cadet First Lieutenant Band Leader. Gladysel Recto, Cadet Master Sergeant Battalion Secretary.
Congratulations to all awardees. Your hard work and perseverance truly deserve recognition. As our program draws to a close,